everyone. I'm here in my room because I'm just having a little rest here. But I'm going back to work in a while. For now, I'm spending time in front of the computer. But I'm going back to work. So, it's raining here in Metro Manila. I don't know in some other places if it's raining, but here, as I show you outside, maulan siya, and we don't go to work today because I'm sick, and we are not able to wake up early. Actually, I wake up early, but my employer was not able to wake up early, so we just stay here in the house. And probably, I don't know if we're going to the mall later or what, or we just stay here. And the little boy is sleeping with them, so I just here inside the room, which I used to sleep. And tomorrow is Sunday, supposed to be my day off, but she said that I will not able to have day off because we're going somewhere, and I rest also because I'm feeling sick. So that's it. So thank you for having time to visit my channel, and hope you subscribe. And even if I'm a little bit sick, I just put a small video or a short video just for you guys, and may God bless all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and thank you very much.